Good morning and welcome to this week's Red Short webinar. Due to a scheduling issue, the presentation on China's state-sponsored hacker strike worldwide will be made next week. My name is Jim, and today I will be discussing leaked data for competitor intelligence. As always, you can find information on similar topics at redskyalliance.org. If you have missed any of the previous Red Shorts, you can find them there as well. In recent years, there has been a growing debate about the legality and risks of using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. Some people argue that it is perfectly legal, while others believe it is a form of cyber espionage and should be illegal. The legal status of using leaked ransomware data is complex and depends on a few factors, including the jurisdiction in which the data was obtained, the purpose for which it's being used, and the type of data being used. In the United States, no specific law prohibits the use of leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. However, several laws such as the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, and the Economic Espionage Act, EEA, could potentially be used to prosecute someone for doing so. The CFAA prohibits unauthorized access to computer systems, and the EEA prohibits the theft of trade secrets. If someone uses leaked ransomware data to gain unauthorized access to a competitor's computer system or to steal trade secrets, they could be prosecuted under these laws. It is essential to note that the CFAA and EEA have been interpreted very broadly by the courts, and it needs to be clarified whether they would apply to the use of leaked ransomware data. In addition, several defenses could be raised in a prosecution under these laws, such as the defense of good faith access. The legality of using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence is a complex legal issue that depends on several factors. If you are considering using this data type, you should consult an attorney to discuss the potential legal risks. In addition to the legal risks, several ethical concerns are associated with using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. Some people argue that it is unethical to benefit from the misfortune of others, and that using leaked ransomware data is a form of cyber looting. Others argue that using this data type is perfectly ethical if obtained legally. They argue that businesses have a right to protect their trade secrets, and that using leaked ransomware data is a legitimate way to do so. The decision to use leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence is a complex one that involves both legal and ethical considerations. No easy answer exists, and each business must decide the right action. Here are some of the risks involved in using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. Reputational damage. If it is discovered that a business is using leaked ransomware data, it could damage the business's reputation. Customers and partners may lose trust in the business, and the business could face negative publicity. Legal liability. As mentioned earlier, several laws could be used to prosecute someone for using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. If a business is found to violate these laws, it could face significant legal liability, including fines and imprisonment. Cybersecurity risks. Using leaked ransomware data could expose a business to cybersecurity risks. If the data contains malware or other vulnerabilities, it could be used to attack the business's computer systems. Business ethics. Using leaked ransomware data may be considered unethical by some people. Using leaked data could damage the business's reputation and make attracting and retaining employees and customers difficult. In addition to the legal and ethical risks, several practical risks are involved in using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. These risks include the data may be inaccurate or incomplete, the data may be outdated, the data may be tampered with, and a competitor may plant the data to mislead the business. Given the risks involved, businesses should consider the pros and cons before using leaked ransomware data for competitor intelligence. Suppose an organization decides to use this type of data. In that case, it should take steps to mitigate the risks, such as verifying the accuracy of the data and using it only for legitimate purposes. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the material and found it useful. Please join us next week for China's state-sponsored hacker strike worldwide topic. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at the email address on the screen. Have a good one, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, we're good.
All right. Yeah, it just never fails. And even if
this conference will now be recorded.
Oh, that's funny. Okay.
No,
well, thank you very much for getting this thing turned around quickly.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.